स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Heard Shri Pankaj Agarwal, Learned Counsel for Appellants, full stop. None appeared on behalf of respondent, though the appeal has been called in revised, and names of Shri Devendra Daham and Shri A.S. Jadon, advocates for respondent, are shown in the cause list, full stop. Therefore, we proceed ex parte to decide the appeal, full stop, para. It is a plaintiff's appeal, full stop. This first appeal under section 96 of Code of Civil Procedure has arisen from judgment and decree dated 10/12/2001 passed by Additional Civil Judge in bracket Senior Division bracket out Court number 2 Aligarh in original suit number 143 of 1998 in bracket Ramesh Chandra Agarwal and others versus Srimati Bitta Devi alias Bitta bracket out, whereby it has dismissed original suit number 143 of 1998 insofar as the relief of specific performance was prayed by plaintiffs appellants, but has decreed to the extent of refund of advance money along with interest, full stop, para. The plaintiffs appellants instituted original suit number 143 of 1998 impleading Srimati Bitta Devi alias Bitti, wife of Adil Singh, as sole defendant, full stop. The plaint case set up by the appellants was that the defendant is owner in possession of property in dispute situate at village Madarak Pargana and Tehsil Koil, District Aligarh, full stop. A registered contract for sale dated 9/7/1993 was executed for a total sale consideration of rupees 5,49,000, out of which 50,000 rupees was paid by the plaintiffs to the defendant as earnest money, full stop. Rest of the amount was payable at the time of execution and registration of sale deed, full stop. The parties agreed to execute sale deed after defendant collect clearance certificate from Income Tax Department and inform the plaintiffs accordingly, but within 1 year from the date of execution of agreement to sell, full stop. Since the requisite clearance from Income Tax Department could not be received by defendant within time, the parties agreed to extend period of 1 year more for execution of sale deed vide another registered agreement to sale dated 25/1994, full stop. Since defendant did not thereafter abide by its own terms of contract, the plaintiffs served notice dated 12/8/1997 requiring defendant to appear before Sub-Registrar Coil on 5/9/1998 for execution of sale deed, full stop. They, in bracket plaintiffs bracket out, also presented themselves in the office of Sub-Registrar of the said date, but defendant did not come hence for a specific performance was instituted by plaintiffs, full stop, para. The defendant contested the matter wherein she denied execution of agreement to sale on 9/7/1993 and also denied receipt of advance money of rupees 50,000 from plaintiffs, full stop. She also denied execution of another registered agreement to sale dated 25/1994 and claimed that it is false and manufactured, full stop, para. Since the very foundation of plaint case was disputed by defendant, full stop, trial court formulated following issues for deciding suit: para. whether the lady defendant executed a registered agreement in favor of the plaintiffs on 9/7/1993 of the property mentioned in the plaint para, whether the plaintiff as per conditions of the agreement was always willing to enter into a sale deed and is still prepared and willing if so its effect para, whether the plaintiff's suit is barred by the section 2B and 20 of the Contract Act para, whether the suit is time barred para, whether the suit is barred by the sections 12(6) and 20 of the Specific Relief Act para, relief para. Issue numbers 1 and 3 were taken together over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये आपका 600 वर्ड्स है 110 की स्पीड से, ठीक है, ख़त्म हो गया है। कुछ नंबरिंग शायद हमने गलत कर दी है, क्योंकि ये है 100 तो ये 200 है, उसके बाद फिर से 200 हमने कर दिया, 200 300, ये है 400, ये है 500 और ये है 600, ठीक है। ये 100 वर्ड हमने एक्स्ट्रा गिन दिए हैं, काउंट कर दिए हैं, इसीलिए डिक्टेशन में कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा। तो इसमें कुछ नाम वगैरह आए हुए हैं जो वो हैं पंकज अग्रवाल, पूरा बनेगा पी या तो एन का हुक लगा दीजिए, एन का स्ट्रोक, ठीक है। के और जे पंकज अग्रवाल भी बन जाएगा, नॉर्मल बना लेंगे आप लोग। देवेंद्र कैसे बनेगा, डी में वी का हुक और एन की डबलिंग, फिर एन का हुक, ठीक है। नहीं देवेंद्र है तो डी बनाइए, वी की डबलिंग, एन का हुक, ठीक है। और दहम आया है, दहमा, ठीक है, तो दमा कर दीजिए केवल, डी एम। और श्री ए एस जादौन बनाने के लिए जे और डी में एन का हुक, जादौन हो जाएगा। और इसमें कोई रमेश चंद्र है तो रमेश नॉर्मल बनेगा, चंद्र के लिए चे, एन की डबलिंग। और बिट्टा देवी भी बी और टी, और देवी हमने आपको बता के रखा हुआ है, ठीक है। तो ये सब चीज़ें बन जाएंगी। चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगली डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और अपनी मिस्टेक्स काउंट करके बता दीजिएगा कितनी आई इस मैटर में। मिलेंगे फिर अगली वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।